Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorSub. TestCaseHub, what's new in TestCaseHub? So recently we have launched TestCaseHub last month, and from then so many features has been added, lot many suggestions which you guys have suggested on the day of launch. So all those has been incorporated now, and it has been evolved a lot, and you will see the changes and you will experience the new things in this tool TestCaseHub, and this is going to help you guys a lot. So from the perspective of user experience perspective, as well as how you guys can uh, add the test cases and how you people can come forward and contribute in reviewing the test cases and approve them, upvote, downvote, the very good feature suggested by Rosal. So all those features, many suggestions from Naveen, Mukesh, and everyone from the community has been incorporated. Gaurav Khurana has suggested many features. So all those has been implemented now here. So let me show you what all those things are there. Like very first thing, very important thing is feature to upvote and downvote test cases. So you will see that you will now have the option, because earlier how we can decide that this is a good test case, or who is the one who is going to decide this. So now everybody is going to decide whether this test case is good or not. Then we will have the reviewer profile link, author profile link, bulk upload, auto suggest while typing, option to copy download selected test cases, and then community reviewers can everybody, many people can be the reviewers now. So if you guys want to become a reviewer at TestCaseHub, please connect with me and I will create an account for you so that you can review those test cases. But yes, definitely you will be having those skills to what test cases should be good, so that we will discuss. Okay, so now let me show you what all features are those. So if you are not aware about that, where you can find the link of this. So this is testcasehub.net, and to get this link, if you ever forget this, so just go to SelectorSub website and you will see that TestCaseHub is here. Also you will find it from products, TestCaseHub. So anywhere you just click here, and it will take you to this, so you can read more about it and why those why TestCaseHub, why it is really required for each and everyone, why this has been innovated, what was the need of it. So all those things you will find it here, how you can use it. There is no installation required for this one. This is a web page application and all those things here. So yeah, let me open directly testcasehub.net from here. So this is the one. Now earlier when you were typing, so you need to type everything, but now you will, as soon as you start typing, like let's say we want the feature for test cases for login functionality, so you just start typing and you will see that it will automatically start suggesting. So you can just select whichever you want, and then you will see the result here. Now very first feature to upvote and downvote test cases. So earlier we were not having this upvote and downvote option, now we have this. So suppose you like these test cases, whichever is this, and now some good test cases below down here, like clicking on logout should log out successfully, or any feature you found, that any test case, sorry, you found that is more uh, has higher priority, has higher weightage, so that you want to get it on top. So in that case, you guys can upvote so that they will start coming on top. Like suppose I think that if remember was there while signing in, closing tab shouldn't log out. So let's say this test case is good, so let me upvote this. And now next time when we will search for this here test cases, so that test case will come above. Now you see that if remember me was there while signing in, closing tab shouldn't log out. So you see that, so whichever will be having the higher votes, they will come on top, and you would not be able to add more than one vote for one test case, so you will allow to add only one vote. You can downvote as well. So that's how it will show here votes. So this is going to be really useful feature, uh, so that we can identify, okay, which test case is good and which is not, and it is not going to dependent on one person. Now everybody can decide, everybody will be so it is going to be overall result, that okay, this test case has 100 upvotes, so that means this is really important. And very thankful to Rojal Bhatti, he has suggested this feature on the day of launch of TestCaseHub, so I'm really thankful to him, really appreciate. Reviewer profile link. Now you see that earlier we were, who has approved this test case, so that reviewer profile name is not coming, only author name was coming, and who is even this Sanjay, we don't know. So now going forward, whatever test case was there earlier, that is fine. But now going forward, let's say let me search for anchor tag. So whoever is going to be the reviewer now, so that his profile link is going to come here. Like let's say this test case is reviewed by SK Amir Ullah, so his name will come here, and you can click on this and it will show you his profile. So right now it is we have mentioned the LinkedIn profile, so this is coming here. So I will show you how this profile and everything will come here. So now you are going to see that who has written this test case. So this test case is written by Sanjay Kumar, so you can click on this and it will show you the profile of him, and here it will show who has written this test case. If you didn't find anything like author link or author profile, reviewer name, that means those test case has been written and approved before the launch of this feature. So now going forward, whatever test cases and uh, going to be approved, going to be added in TestCaseHub, they will be going to have this reviewer name as well as the author name, and their profile will be linked to that. So this is how you are going to get these profile links, because this will add more partiality, like more more like here you will be having more visibility, you will be having more weightage. Okay, this test case has been written by this person and he is like lead architect, he's working in this company. So that's how you will be having more confidence on that, that okay, this is the test case. And how these are going to come here, let me show you. So here suppose you want to add like more test cases, like suppose anchor tag is there are only 3 test cases and we want to have more test cases here. So you the person who will be submitting the test case here, so he will be adding his name here and your profile link here. So let's say this is my profile link, and here I will add the test case. So suppose for anchor tag, this is a test case anchor tag. So we can add any test case here for anchor tag, like 2 test cases are already, I mean 3 test cases are already being added. So you can see that whatever is missing, what you feel that okay, anchor tag should have href attribute, all anchor tags should have url values of href attribute. So then you can add more test case. Suppose you want to have secure you want to test your like link text are secure or not. So in that case you can add here like test for secure links href attribute value should have https. I'm just giving an example. It could be good or bad, you guys can decide, because you have the option to upvote and downvote, so that you can decide. And if you want to like what is the priority here, you can change, you can add positive negative, that's all, that all you can do here. And you can in fact like you can add more test cases. Now you will not have to fill this author name again and again like in previous version it was. So it will be like taking forward, you just need to add the test case here. So let's say we are adding one test case here. Okay, you click here submit. So once this is submitted, this goes for the review, and as soon as we review that, now let me show you that as well. So suppose we approve that test case here for this admin, the test case which we have submitted here, that we approved. For a second, I'm just taking his Amir's account. He has supported a lot and submitted many test cases, and very good contributor, so I really appreciate him. So now you see that we selected here publish and save changes. So once this got published here, so if you now if somebody will search for the anchor tag here, hit enter. So you will see that for secure links the test case started appearing here, and now you see the name and who is the reviewer, and here you all have those options. So this is how this profile link and reviewer profile is going to come here. Then we have now bulk upload option. This is really good feature and was very much required. Many people suggested that, so I really appreciate everyone for suggesting this feature. So now you see that, just go to here and add test cases. Suppose you want to upload bulk test cases. So you see here like one by one you can do it here, that's fine. If you want to, you can upload bulk test cases. So click on this upload bulk test cases, and here you need a sample, of course. So there is a like a specific format and sample is there, so you click on download this and you can see the sample here. I would recommend, like, if you have somewhere in XLS or something, so you can copy paste in this sample file. Let's say our test case one priority is, let's say, p1. Sorry, this is priority is p1 here. This is positive or negative. Oh, sorry. Then suppose we want to add more test cases. I'm just giving you guys an example. You can of course add it, and this shouldn't be duplicate. Okay, and then you can save it, keep current format, and just go here. So now you can upload that file, and this is going to appear here. And here you can, like, let's say here I'm the functionality, I'm just giving example. So you can mention the functionality name for which functionality these test cases are, and then your name here and your LinkedIn profile. So that, like, it will be good that whoever will be seeing your test cases, they get to know, okay, who is the contributor who has done this. And once you accept and submit this, and it will go for the review, and once those will be reviewed, you will see in the search result here. Okay, so this is how you can see this. This is how you can bulk upload the test cases in TestCaseHub. Now we have the auto suggest while typing. This is really another great feature. Earlier, like, when you type, you had to type this complete like login, and you were not sure that, okay, what to type so that we will get the result. So now, as soon as whatever comes in your mind, let's say you want to search for test cases for login, so you just start typing test case, and it will start showing like test case for anchor tag, checkbox, credit card, cucumber. So whatever your test cases are, and whatever are there, like whatever data is there in TestCaseHub, it will start showing accordingly. So, like, say, let's say there are some test cases for drop down for cucumber, for credit card. Let's say for credit card we search, so here it will start suggesting those test cases, what those are. And if you feel, because you are an expert and you must be having more test cases, as this TestCaseHub is still evolving and many people are contributing, so you will see that those like, you can submit more test cases here. So this is how, like, when you will be typing, let's say you are typing checkbox here. So as soon as you type here checkbox, so you will see that those results will start coming. Like here, these all test cases are submitted by Sachin Sharma. I really appreciate him for his great work and support and contribution. And in fact, like, he was the very first person who added some test cases, contributed some test cases on TestCaseHub. So really appreciate him. Thank you for your contribution, Sachin. And so you see that here, these are the test cases, and these test cases whom they were reviewed. So all these things you can see it here. So this is really good feature, that now you need not to type complete everything. You just start typing, and it will start suggesting here. So this way you will be able to select them. Option to copy and download selected test cases. This is another suggestion from the community, that how we can like, because suppose there are so many test cases now, but we feel that we just need this third test case, sixth test case, and ninth and 10th, let's say. So we need just these four test cases. So earlier there was like option to copy, and you were able to copy whole test case. You can't copy the selected one, or you can't copy you can't download only selected one. So now you have this option that you select whichever test case you want. So like, now if you will click on this download XLS, it will download only these 3, 6, 9, 10. If you copy this, let me show you this XLS as well, how it will look. So you see that only those test case has been downloaded which you have selected. Now suppose you want to copy, you just click on copy, it will copy. You see that selected rows copied. So now suppose you want to copy those, so only those selected rows has been copied. So this is a really great feature, that you are able to copy and download only selected rows. Then community reviewers. So now we have this option, and we are going to add more and more people to review the test cases at TestCaseHub, so that, like, there will be like more clarity, uh, more support from the community to get more and more test cases here. So I will add the more admins, more reviewers who will be reviewing your test cases, because nowadays we are getting so many requests, like so many submission for the test cases. So it is difficult, of course, for less number of people to review all of them. So I will request each and everyone that please contribute, please write the test cases, and give us more work, so that like we reviewers, everybody, like whoever is the reviewer here at TestCaseHub, they can review your test case and approve. And if you want to become a reviewer, please connect with me, and we will discuss that how you can contribute and support the community. And going forward in future, like more features will be coming in here, like you would be able to create your account and other stuff, so that is coming soon. And more features, like whoever will add like 10 test cases, 100 test cases, so they will be getting badge, and their contribution will be highlighted, and it will be shown, and it will be highlighted in the page that okay, this contributor has submitted more test cases. So that all those things will be coming in soon. So yeah, that's pretty much. I hope you are loving TestCaseHub and enjoying. And I would request each and everyone that please contribute, let others know about this great innovation, because when you just like type here and you will get all the test cases, so it will be easy for you to like get the test case to test your functionality, feature, and everything. And these test cases are going to be reviewed, written by multiple people, multiple talented people from different companies. So lots of expertise is going to help you in your testing, in your product quality. So yeah, this is really going to help a lot everyone. So yes, that's test case hub, new test case hub now. And you have a lot many features, so this is going to really help you guys a lot. Let me know your thoughts, any feedback, any comment, do let me know in the comment section. Also you can like if you have any suggestion, you can raise a ticket here. So this will help a lot us, and I will make sure that I keep implementing all these features in future for you guys. And please do support, donate here. You can donate here to support this project. This is absolutely free for community, driven by community. And yes, so with that, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for all the upcoming innovation updates. Thank you so much.